jackfruit, and I'm just going to peel it off, the outer part, the flesh, to peel the skin of this seed and then throw away this. And you get seeds like this. We have all the seeds and dried maybe overnight. You can see after drying the skin starts to come out very easily. This is the eye.
That is the eye, and we need to cut a little right here.
Also you can just peel it off, only the skin. And soak it for about half an hour to 1 hour. So I'm just going to peel the skin off. So just take a knife, and you need to do is just scratch off the skin from the surface. There you go, all done. So we get this white color nut seed. So I'll just put it in the remaining. Take one. Chop it into half, cut it again into small pieces like so.
I'm going to put it all in this bowl.
Very nice. And make jackfruit poriyal out of it. Now we will heat a pan and add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil into it. I'm using coconut oil.
Put about this much mustard,
half a teaspoon,
and stay back.
Yeah.
Because it will start popping.
Yes. Half a teaspoon of mustard.
See, look, soon it will start popping. Yep, it started popping.
Once the seeds are completely popped,
add some curry leaves.
Yeah, add few curry leaves into it.
And mix it again.
Yes.
And stay back a little bit because.
So once the aroma of curry leaves starts to spread, perfect. So add about 1 chopped onion.
1 chopped onion.
Reduce the flame and put it in slow flame.
100.
Add about half teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder.
I dropped my last tea though.
No more eating junk food, okay?
Yeah.
Add a pinch of asafoetida powder.
Asafoetida powder.
And about a pinch of freshly ground black pepper.
Oh, that's what it is. I thought it was
What did you think it is?
powder.
Okay.
I thought it was powder black sugar.
Okay. So now the aroma of all the spices has spread. We can now add our, can you feel the smell?
It smells good.
Yeah. So now at this stage, let's add the chopped jackfruit seeds.
Can I mix it?
I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of salt on top of it, or you can add salt as per your taste requirement, and mix it once. So just pour in a little water.
Look at all the steam rising.
All the steam. Reduce the flame very low to very low, and because we don't want to, we don't want it to get stuck under the pan. Close it with the lid, slow the flame, and cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes or till it becomes nice and tender. In about 10 to 12 minutes, I kept it in very slow flame, mixed it well in between, and also added some water so that it doesn't
stick to the pan.
Yeah, so that it doesn't stick to the pan. I'm going to just sprinkle some coconut on the top of the jackfruit seed. Just sprinkle it, switch off the flame and close it and allow it to rest for a while.
Next to your lungs, it helps you to breathe. I forgot what it's called, but it's next to your muscles. Next time you start hiccuping, try to go under your rib cage, and whenever you hiccup, you can feel something rising up and down.
My goodness. Into a serving bowl. Yeah, delicious jackfruit.
It's hot.
Excuse me. It's hot. Delicious jackfruit seed poriyal is now ready to be served. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as we enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for watching.
I'm already almost done.
VeenasKitchen.com.
Last time we made a video
3
years old. Now I'm almost 10.